Boy, have I got something for you? And this sucker up here. There is a big eagle.
Let's see if he gets it. He'll even dive into the water for it.
2, come on, get ready. Here he comes. Hopefully he does another lap. Here he comes. Oh! How good is that? It's heavy.
He's getting there.
It is a heavy fish.
It's a big fish.
Oh. How are those wings? They ain't dropped it.
No.
I don't know who's going to go with
He's climbing slowly.
it. Wow. It was a good heavy fish, absolutely.
How good was that?
Sick.
I'm not real good at Cameron, but well done, brother. Well done.